Hi, welcome. Now I'm going to show you how to remove duplicate values from a list of values or from a range using advanced filter. Okay, so what I have here is the voucher numbers here, and these voucher numbers I want to remove those duplicated values from the list. Okay, so before that, just for our clarity, which is the voucher number repeated, we just go to select the range, we just highlight the repeated voucher numbers. Okay, highlight cell rules, duplicate values, duplicate with the fill. So in this you can find out 360740 is repeated. Okay, so what my objective is to remove the duplicate. Okay, and I want only the unique set of vouchers. Those repeated need to be removed. There are totally 10 voucher numbers are there, so one must be removed and 9 values will need to remain. Okay, how to do this? Using a advanced filter. Okay, so go to data. Okay, you can find advanced filter here, but this is not the functionality for removing duplicates. There is another removing duplicates in data tools, but what this technique is, I'm showing you to remove the duplicates using a advanced filter. Okay, I just select the column, okay, for the removal of the duplicates. Okay, and go to the advanced filter. You can see filter the list in place. No, I'm not filtering in the place. I'm going to copy another location to the B column. Okay, so list range is this one, and copy to another location. But here what this functionality does is, this is trying to filter using a criteria. For our case, I don't need any criteria, I just keep it blank. Okay, just I check unique records only. I just check this functionality. My main purpose of using this advanced filter is not to filter but to get the unique records. Okay, use the unique records only, then press OK. You can see the duplicated value 360470. when it repeated, it is removed from the list. Okay, so this way you can use advanced filter to filter to not really filter, to remove the duplicate value from the set of values. Okay, hope this technique is helpful to you, and I'll see you on the next video. God bless you.